Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make walls in AutoCAD. Walls are one of the most fundamental elements in architectural drawings created in AutoCAD. Whether you're creating a floor plan, house layout, office design, or construction drawing, walls define the structure and organization of the space. One common method for creating walls in AutoCAD is by using the MLINE multiline command, which allows you to draw multiple parallel lines simultaneously. This is particularly useful because walls are often represented by two parallel lines showing their thickness. In architectural drafting, walls are typically represented by two parallel lines that indicate the thickness of the wall. Why use multilines for walls? Using multilines allows you to draw both wall edges at once, maintain consistent wall thickness, speed up drafting, and create cleaner floor plans. What is the MLINE command? MLINE stands for multiline. The MLINE command creates multiple parallel lines that behave as a single object. Start by opening AutoCAD, then open the drawing where you want to create walls. Walls are typically added to an existing floor plan, building layout, architectural sketch, and site design. If you already have drawing elements that will be part of the wall layout, select them. Go to the command line and type Group, then press Enter. The Group command allows multiple objects to be treated as a single unit. Grouping can make it easier to move objects together, manage related elements, and maintain organization. AutoCAD then creates a group from the selected objects. Go to the command line and type MLINE, then press Enter. The multiline command becomes active. Several command options become available on the command line. On the command line, find the option labeled Justification. Justification controls how the multiline is positioned relative to the points you select. It determines whether the wall is drawn, centered on your cursor, above your cursor, or below your cursor. Click Justification. AutoCAD asks you to choose a justification type. For the justification type, enter 0. A justification value of 0 centers the multiline on the points you specify. Why this is commonly used? Center justification helps create walls that are evenly positioned around the path being drawn. Result, the wall thickness is distributed equally on both sides of the drawing path. Click the point where you want the wall to begin. This point becomes the beginning of the wall segment. Move your cursor and click additional points to define the wall path. AutoCAD creates parallel wall lines following the path you specify. Result, a wall is generated using the multiline object. What you'll notice, instead of a single line, you'll see multiple parallel lines representing wall thickness. The wall appears more realistic and closer to how architectural plans are typically drafted. You can continue selecting points to create straight walls, angled walls, connected wall segments. When finished drawing the wall, press Enter. Result, the wall creation process is complete. The actual wall thickness depends on the multiline style being used. What you just accomplished, you organized drawing elements using Group, activated the MLINE command, set wall justification, defined a starting point, drew wall geometry, and created parallel wall lines representing wall thickness. Why is MLINE useful for walls? MLINE simplifies wall creation by generating multiple parallel lines automatically, reducing the amount of manual drafting required. To summarize, creating walls in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and selecting any related geometry. The Group command can be used to organize selected objects into a single group. Next, the MLINE command is activated from the command line. Within the MLINE options, the justification setting is selected and set to 0, centering the wall around the drawing path. After specifying a starting point, additional points are selected to define the wall path, and AutoCAD automatically creates parallel wall lines representing the wall thickness. Pressing Enter completes the wall. And that's how to make walls in AutoCAD using the MLINE command. This method is a quick and effective way to create architectural wall layouts because it automatically generates parallel wall lines while maintaining consistent wall thickness. As your projects become more advanced, understanding MLINE will help you create cleaner and more efficient floor plans. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.